Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Kurraba Point, a dated 70s apartment, has been rebooted by Mr and Mrs Elias into a luxurious residence that proves the power of downsized living. When Mr and Mrs Elias's clients downsized from a 3-story house in Mossman to the 150 square meter apartment, they wanted to maintain the standard of living they had enjoyed in their previous, larger space. No new work had been done on the apartment in more than 20 years. The existing layout didn't maximize the apartment's harbourside location. Mr and Mrs Elias, which was contracted as designer and builder, undertook a complete structural overhaul and implemented a new design approach that took inspiration from old Hollywood glamour. Every room was reconfigured to maximize the apartment's luxury and functionality.